This is a review of the T3 Ultra smartwatch that I would highly recommend. This smartwatch, it features pretty much every single thing you could think of. You can see that it comes with everything, the instruction manual. Then you have the wrist that's a metal. You got that's your option if you want to opt to that. But I chose it that it came with the black harness that it came with. It's very easy to put on. It comes with like a little tiny screw where you attach to there and it goes to the other side. And it's like a snap-on. This right here is a screen protector. This is what you get. You get a screen protector, then you get the dust. Then right here, you get a guide sticker. So this is like for before you prep the surface of the screen to go put it on. Then right here, you get the wipes and the others, it tells you in the instructions on how you install it, which I didn't do yet, but I'm going to do that soon. This right here is a magnetic charger that comes with as well too to plug it in. So all you have to do is just basically snap it onto right here and it snaps into place and it charges up like it should. Then, like I said, this right here is a guide if you want to go hook this up, and then you can adjust it to according to your wrist. So you can have it to that, and it comes with a adjuster where you can adjust that. Overall, the Amaztim T3 Ultra watch is really amazing. I love it. And this is the interface right here. You can see you could change the interface, and not just that, it does a lot of stuff, which is it's really insane. You can have your heart rate, and you could adjust your heart rate to how you want it. You could see how much your blood pressure is, your stress, emotion, your blood oxygen. It comes with everything, music. So it pairs up to your phone. It works for your iOS and Android, so you can have two stuff. And if you have an iPhone, use the iPhone. If you have Android, you use the Android. And it's really easy to use, and the Bluetooth is it plugs into place, and it doesn't take that long. It takes like literally under 30 seconds to program it to your Bluetooth. And you can see here you have a music option too. So if you have music, you can have that paired up too. Then you have weather. You could check your weather out and see the forecast on the weather, how the weather is doing. I would highly recommend the T3 Ultra smartwatch because the touchscreen interface, the screen size is really amazing. It's very big, and I love the way it looks. The design of it is really fabulous, and I just love it. Comes with this too, so you could whenever you decide or you get bored of this wrist, you can have it to this one as well too. It comes with a lot of stuff, like I mentioned. It has like a compass. You have pretty much your breathing. It's for health wise, this watch is really amazing. And for fitness wise, it's really amazing as well too. It comes with a lot of features that it gives you a lot of, for your finding your phone. It works for your flashlight too. So you can use it as a flashlight. You can have this as a calculator too, a timer, alarm, stopwatch, notification. It does, every single thing you could think of, the weather, the music, emotion, stress, like I mentioned, it's for health, the blood oxygen, your blood pressure, your sleep schedule, your heart rates, and your workouts, your daily activities that you do. And you can also call using the Bluetooth where you program it up, and it just connects to there like that. You could do calls as well too. I would highly recommend the T3 Ultra Smart Watch if you are looking for a upgraded watch. This watch does like every single thing you could think of, and that's the charger right there. It's the charging is very fast charging pace as well too. It charges really fast too. I would highly recommend this watch if you are looking for a new watch, because this watch is really amazing. It does every single thing that you could think of for health wise, fitness wise, pretty much every single thing, and I would highly recommend this.